My online fashion store. That's another great dropshipping supplier. And here, guys, you can start a whole company or business from scratch. They create the website for you. They put all the products on your website. It's ready to start. Not exactly they make 100%, but 80% of your website it's done by them if you pay the fees. But here it's gonna show this dropshipping info. What is dropshipping? Everything you can read here. And let's go dropshipping program. So if you are new in this program, so you can please read this. You have access to 6,000 products. Weekly 100 to up to 200. You can choose free to return, low shipping cost. You just click here and see what is all about. Remember this dropshipping supplier, you have to pay for it. As you can see here, if you want to sell on Facebook or Instagram or both, and you need to have a plugin, it's cost $9 per month. If you want to option 2 with Shopify, $9 per month. Remember, in Shopify you also have to pay them, which is $24 per month, I think. And you have the link here that's going through dropshipping to Shopify store. The number 3, weeks, also 9 per month. And you can read exactly what they offer, how does it look. And it's very important that you have 14 days trial. So it doesn't cost anything. You can try 14 days. Actually, you can start with all of them and see which one is better for you. So you can just try. Option 4, inventory source membership. $39 per month, $39. Also start for free, and you have 14 days trial. It's amazing. If you want to have a website with WooCommerce and WordPress, then it's $29. And also again, you can try to join here for free. BigCommerce, the same, $29. You can read more about exactly what is their shipping cost, the free returns. I mean, this dropshipping supplier offer you a lot of options. That's great. So you don't have to stress too much. You pay and you have it. And for that, let me go a bit up and check again turnkey website. Let's go a bit. It's just, guys, for $495, it is $99, and you get a website, a ready website. And you can choose which theme you want, right? And you have here bundle deal. If you want to save 20%, you can choose what do you want exactly from them. You can, beside the turnkey website, you get a virtual assistant, Facebook cover, logo design, and custom packaging. That's amazing. Of course, you have to pay for this, but it's stress out. And you can see your own pre-programmed, pre-designed, preloaded with their items ready to launch your website. And you can see here the themes available. And you just go, let's see, you just see which one you like. I just click on one of that and see how does this look. But you have more time to go and check, of course. And what is included? And please read everything in your website, what they are going to do for you. And you have all the features. That's amazing. You can purchase your turnkey website right here. Just click here, and you need to sign up for a Shopify platform, of course, and you need to install their app. They have their own app. It's amazing. With everything here, you have also helpful articles about how to get traffic and sell to your Shopify store. That's coming. I'm blown away literally with this dropshipping supplier. I haven't tried yet, I have to be honest, but I will give a try because, I have 645 dropshipping suppliers. It's very difficult to choose from them, trust me. And you have the products exactly. They also have their wholesale website, CC Wholesale Clothing. We are going to talk about it on a different video. That's a wholesale. Marketing, you can find here more qualified freelancers and more details. You can get a custom design. Just go for it. Virtual assistant program. Let's see what is this. That's 200. They offer a virtual assistant program to assist you with your online business. 10 hours. If you want more, 20 hours you save 5, 30 hours you save 10. That's great. You have more details about the virtual assistant program right here, so feel free to check. And you have some example of their work. The virtual assistant, it's more that they help with the logo design, with the marketing, everything you want to do with your business. And you have here some examples. Feel free to go to check it. Good. Now let's go to the last and number 5 dropshipping supplier for today. That's a very, very niche business, let's call it that way. Very fine shoes. That's a dancing shoes. So if you are a dancer, probably not, but let's say you are, or you want to open a business with the dancing shoes, then this is the dropshipping supplier for you. You have Latin dance boots, different style, tango, also for men, also for women. So you can check more about it. Ladies shoes, you have everything casual, Latin, rhythm, salsa, standard smooth, practice, Cuban heel, sneakers. Let's go dance sneakers. Let's see some example of products. You can see exactly that one pair, it's 89. Of course, they will not sell it to you with 89. You will have a profit. Let's go to look. What exactly? Distributor. I think it's here. Yes. You can see right here, you can be a distributor. They manufacture and design, and they do the marketing for these kind of shoes. E-commerce program. Yes, we do dropship.